Hey, this is Jerome from North Kentucky Gear Check doing an unboxing from ProPac. I think ProPac is from out of Illinois. If you have any questions or you like the stuff that I'm showing you, go ahead and contact Amanda over there. She's one of the sales representatives. And but I got this stuff about 2 weeks ago. Let's zoom right there. I got this stuff about 2 weeks ago, and I haven't pulled it out because I wanted to do a video. Actually, I called Amanda yesterday from ProPac and talked to her because I had some questions about some other stuff. But let's see here. This is for my CERT gear, Community Emergency Response Team. This is a fanny pack. Let's see if I can show you here. I'm not gonna put the whole thing on, but it's a fanny pack with a harness system. As I said, I'm not going to put the whole thing on, but it's a fanny pack with a harness system to be able to store gear. They have a cheaper one. They have a cheaper one for sale for $9.50, I think. But it's about a third of this size, and I wanted, I figured if I were to ever need this for a emergency situation, that I want as much room as possible. So I got the bigger setup. It's got a lot of pouches, a lot of pockets. I like it. Same on this side. A lot of pouches and pockets. It's basically the same on both sides. And as I said, it has a harness system that comes with it. This setup was $30. What I also got was a hat. Kind of looks sporty. A lanyard to be able to keep the CERT ID, or I guess keys or something on that. And they had some pouches that were being discontinued. Some pouches that were being discontinued, and I got 2 of those that they threw at me. So far, I like the gear. I love it, and thanks ProPac for getting that to me. Only took about 3 or 4 days, I guess. No, 4 days, I guess, to get it to me. 3 or 4 probably, and it's pretty fast shipping. But what I also wanted to go over was the stuff in my CERT pack that I got. Is from some years ago. This isn't from ProPac, I don't think. I don't know who the vendor was that my CERT team got to give us this stuff, but I wanted to go through that stuff. Sorry, ProPac, you gotta go. Alright. Let's go through the stuff in my CERT bag. Oh, there. Sorry. As I said, this is my CERT bag. It is a decent sized book bag. It's been a while actually since I've gone through this bag, and I need to change a couple things out in it. Water. one of the things I need to change out of it. Some D-size batteries. One of them seems to be corroding. Work on that. Emergency response guide for some hazardous materials and such. A lanyard with my ID. Flashlight. Notepads. Postcards. Notepads to write on. Some hazardous materials. Bags. I should have mentioned, not all this stuff comes in this pack off the shelf. A lot of it I either put in there myself, or they had some other stuff from people who no longer wanted to be on the team, that they were giving their bags back, and not all their bags, some of their bags had extra stuff in it, and they said, you know, you can take it if you want. So I did, cannibalized it. A map of our area, and a key flashlight, a couple markers, still right, gloves. I think these are latex type of gloves, but I can't remember if they're latex or not. Marking tape to be able to mark the casualty, or how bad off somebody is, hurt. Glow sticks, for a different couple of reasons, to be able to see, or if you're treating a child, snap a glow stick, give it to them. It'll calm them down, get their mind off of what's going on, why they're hurt. Put this stuff back. It'll just take a second. Sorry, I haven't worked very good on editing my videos. I might have to work on that. Markers. As I said before, it's been a while since I've gone through this bag. I need to, probably more often. Pencils, ink pen, probably need to get a cheap sharpener, put it in there too. One thing I'm going to also do is I got some pull tabs I'm going to try to put on here. Absorbent compressed pads. A EMT shears, sorry, and some looks like gauze rolls, gauze bandage rolls. And you can see I have some of these bags numbered. Abdominal pads. Whole bunch of abdominal pads. Be able to slap in somebody's wound. Keep on moving. Oh, I got my flashlight. Still gotta put it back yet, but I'll get that one. Let's see here. There it is. canteen. This is empty, but if need be, fill it up before I go wherever I need be, or get to the checkpoint, fill it up from there. That way I can have water with me for myself, or to clean out somebody's wound. Work gloves, very important. Baggies, most of these are all empty, but if maybe I got baggies. Duct tape, tape up somebody's dressing real quick, and instead of wrapping it with something else, I just tape it up real quick, move on. Zip ties. These are 12 inch, I think, 14 inch zip ties. Probably about 25 or so, 20 of them, something like that. Boo-boo kit. This is not for anybody else. This boo-boo kit is for me. But I didn't have that fanny pack to keep it in. But that's where that boo-boo kit's gonna go now. Toilet paper. Hate to be in a bad situation and not have toilet paper. Got a little bit of duct tape. Got a small fire starting rod, fire steel. Looks like a poncho. Emergency blanket. Some wire to be able to hold some stuff up if need be, or whatever the case may be. Tie something down. What else we got? Some more Ziploc bags. Safety glasses. I wear glasses myself, but personal protective equipment is very important, or PPE, some people may call it. And screwdriver set. Obviously, it's never been used. I keep this stuff in a bag for a reason. This is like a multi-tool for utility shutoffs, for gas, water, a pry bar to be able to get in to some place if need be. This serves a whole bunch of different uses. Water. I'll be trading this out. Headlamp. A reflective vest. Another pair of safety glasses. This is actually for more of people who don't have glasses, but I do. So, 2 dust masks, a hard hat, safety vest, which I already mentioned, a t-shirt with our local CERT team name on it, a wrench, a towel to lay on so your knees aren't on the dirt or whatever. It's just an extra towel we had. That is it for this bag. Having the knowledge to be able to help somebody else is a great thing, and being part of the CERT program helps give me some of that knowledge to be able to help somebody if need be. So, look into it if you're interested into a CERT program in your area. And thanks for watching. This is Jerome from Northern Kentucky Gear Check. Bye.